a factory where robots are made by other robots. Swiss tech giant ABB on Friday officially opened its largest and fully automated robotics factory in Shanghai. The much-anticipated mega factory is ABB's largest robotics R&D, manufacturing, and application base. It involved an investment of $150 million and covers an area of 67,000 square meters in the Pudong new area.
超级工厂呢有3大特点：数字化、智能化和低碳化。利用虚拟的计划和生产管理系统，通过数据的收集和分析来提高性能和生产效率。超级工厂摒弃了传统的固定的装配线，取而代之的是灵活的、模块化的生产单元，并实现了数字互联。超级工厂的投产呢，是 ABB 在华发展的一个重要的里程碑。我们将借助于超级工厂更高的产能、更先进、更柔性的制造工艺。 进一步会完善我们机器人的产品组合，服务好本地市场，并辐射整个亚太地区。
The factory's global R&D center is expected to accelerate innovation in artificial intelligence, digitalization, software, and other fields. The future robots will be smarter, nimbler, safer, and more user-friendly. The new factory in Shanghai is one of ABB's 3 robotics factories worldwide. It will replace the existing site and support customers from across Asia.